Nope. Bus train, bus train. Oh, come on. Okay. All right. I hope you enjoyed this highly professional, big budget short film. It's a bit dark in here. Wait a second. That's better. So this was an introduction to my latest series of tutorials on how to make a creepy creatures from scratch. I've already started uploading the first video, which is how I made an exoskeleton out of plastic bottle cap, newspaper and wire, and more video will follow. Hope you have a look. Oh my god, that sounds so bad. Top of that is 200 degrees in here and I can barely see a thing. You know what? I think I'm gonna have a cup of tea.